in Wales. That's what it looks like. You can see the Welsh writing. That's all Welsh with the open and closed button looks like. But about 30 kilometers this direction, we pass over the river, that guy, whatever it's called. And this is what Wales looks like. And then we hit the pom-pom. The family here, these class 150s. That's the typical Welsh village. What a Welsh village really looks like. This is what it looks like. What station was it at the last stop? Shotton. Is that in English or in Welsh? Is Shotton in English or in Welsh?
No.
In Welsh. What's it in English? Shotton?
Yeah, it's called the same.
It's not the same in Welsh and English, like the local saying, so it's the same. This is what the open and closed buttons looks like. A very nice train on the way to Wrexham. Next emergency information up there. That's what it looks like over there. Fun to see. That's what that looks like. Look at the pop-up. This is what the horn sounds like on class 150. So happy being pop-up to the Areva station now. Now the first log is a pop-up. Our first log is a horn. Pretty much Welsh village. We're going to fly through this station. Ticket out again. Get the ticket out, Jesse. He's coming back. This is what it looks like when we go through the tunnel. Take my knees out. Going through all the fields. This is what all the fun. It's like it's really exciting for me to vlog. There's a sheep, which we don't know where we're getting Welsh level. I'm excited for lamb, not any lamb, especially from Wales, but this is what it actually looks like. Coming into town or a village, I don't know. I'm not sure. Probably more chances being in a town than not a village. Is this a town or a village?
Village.
Village. This is a village which, this village feels like a town to me because there are so many houses. There's some big villages. I've never seen a village that big. And that's what it looks like. Over there, this sort of train going past, and this is what it sounds like. We're slowing down. Yep, we are. We're coming into the stops, and hope you enjoyed. I guess it's it's not a horn, but if we stop into there wasn't a loud horn. So now we're stopping into our next stop. What stop is this there? Harden.
Yeah. In Welsh, kind of like.
So what Harden looks like. You got a phone box, it's a waiting room, and this is what it looks like. It looks like over there, and then that's the way the drive curb looks like. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Please go down there and subscribe. Thank you.